Alright, let's go on a tour of Houghton Hills with Chicken and Charlie. Come on, Charlie, take us on a tour. Here we go. Houghton Hills, Good Friday. Luckily, people eat fish on Fridays. Hopefully. So, Houghton Hills 2017. And yeah, this was year 7 on the farm. Made some good progress the last few months with the help of Charlie and Jacob and others. And yeah, let's have a look, see how it goes. Looks like the chicken's coming on the tour. Yeah, so here we are in the hatchery. And pretty much over the 7 years I've made it into every tank but 1 or 2. Clean it up, seal them up, pot them up. We had all the dams overflowing last winter, which was a first. There's a heron we want to keep away, sitting on the roof, scaring the fish, luckily not inside. And yeah, we started a tradition. I released some goldfish from the aquariums into the couple ponds today for a Good Friday event for them. Are you coming on the tour, Charlie? Come on, take us on the tour. There we go. Yeah, so Charlie's our doorbell. If you come to the gate, beep your horn, you'll meet Charlie. He'll be there. Fish feeding time. It is Fish Friday. I'm warning you guys. Good Friday 2017. But we won't eat you. Well, that's it for the Good Friday tour. Hope you enjoyed it. And, well, we'll keep at it week by week, month by month. Ciao, everybody. Well, today's hammock story at Houghton Hills is we've got an alpaca, and another alpaca, and a rabbit. I'm not sure where the sheep are. Hello, buddy. Off you go. You protecting? Yes, you're the protector, we know. Let's go find the sheep. We've got a fig tree to add to the story. Little green birds that are eating the figs, but they're with some real tasty figs. Like that one. Once they get a bit soft, beautiful. And we're still picking figs in the end of April. Or middle of April. Yum. Today's story is about a sheep named Plum with a mark on his eye. And little sheep who showed up from Jacob's accidentally. Alrighty, it's Fish Friday coming up, Easter. Let's see what's happening here today at Houghton Hills. We're not going to eat you folks, that's alright.